Hello everyone. Let's talk about Bitcoin a little bit. Now, what happened last night is going to force me to talk about another subject because yesterday, if you watched my video, I talked about technical analysis, price action, market structure, and I made a case that yesterday may have been a good time to buy crypto. Which brings me to today's lesson. Technical analysis is not the only thing to be considered when doing any type of trading. Technical analysis is what you're looking at here. That's the chart. There is another half of trading, and it's called fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is basically the news, things that happen in everyday life, global situations, governments, wars, famines, natural disasters. That can also affect the price of not only cryptocurrencies, but any market, okay? So this is what happened. And I'm glad you're watching this video today because you need to learn this lesson. Let's go back and look at something. This black candle right here. That black candle, whenever you see black candles on my chart, it's no bueno. It's no good. It's no good. That means price dropped very rapidly and it engulfed the candle next to it. Why did this happen? First, I want to show you this. This is what I saw on my Facebook news feed. Read this headline right here. Let's read it together. Digital coins are going into a tailspin. This was 10 hours ago from Business Insider. Cryptocurrency markets are tanking after news of shutdown in South Korea. So this is what happened. South Korea had a big raid on its exchanges, right? And they raided all these exchanges. They shut these exchanges down, and it caused the price of Bitcoin to drop because Bitcoin is very popular in South Korea. Bitcoin and Ethereum, they make up a big chunk of the entire market share. And you got to remember, Bitcoins are a global currency. There's no one government controlling them. So whenever these things happen in different governments, it can affect the price. Now, let's go to the actual chart, okay? Price did drop last night. It dropped very fast. But what happened? People started buying it back again. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Read the date on this story right here. September 11th, 2017. Now let me bring you to the headline. China is shutting down domestic Bitcoin exchanges. The entire country of China shut down all of its Bitcoin exchanges on September the 11th. That was the big breaking news. Now, let's go back to the chart, and I'm going to scroll back to September the 11th on the chart, on the Bitcoin chart. Let me pull down so you see the number 11 right there. You see the number 11? This is September 11 on Bitcoin. This is what happened whenever China shut down Bitcoin. Boo! Boo! That's what happened. The price tanked and the price fell. And if I go back and I research all the news announcements when China shut down their Bitcoin exchanges, that's the end of Bitcoin. Guess what Bitcoin fell to right here? Let's go over to the price. Bitcoin fell all the way down to $3,000. $3,000 on the news of China cracking down on Bitcoin exchanges. Now, shrink the chart up and go back out so you can see for yourself what ended up happening to Bitcoin after the Chinese crackdown. It just went to $20,000. And so here we are again with another crackdown by another country, South Korea. The price of Bitcoin is dropping. Everybody's running for the hills. That's fine. If that's what you want to do, that's fine. Look, I don't want to tell you what to do and how to invest in these cryptocurrencies. That's not my job. All I'm doing is trying to help educate you. But you need to take all factors into consideration. And I made sure yesterday, whenever I bought some crypto at the price that I got in at yesterday, I made sure and I said, could price stay in this channel and continue to rise? Yes, but could it break the channel and fall? That was also a possibility because anything can happen in this space at any time. We take all of the information in and then we make decisions based on the information. I didn't know South Korea was going to crack down on their exchanges. The price may run up again, and then Russia cracks down, or the UK cracks down, or America comes out with some more crazy laws, and it causes the price to go down further. But I'm willing to bet, because of the hedge funds and algorithms that are already programmed into this market. Now, they can't move in and out as fast as they can in other markets, so that may be a factor. But I promise you, there are algorithms, computers, not humans, but computers, that are already set to buy cryptocurrency when it hits certain levels, okay? So if crypto starts falling to the computers at certain numbers, certain hold numbers, maybe 12,000, maybe 11,000, maybe 13,000, the computer will automatically, according to market structure and price action, begin to collect more Bitcoin there. And when they start buying, it will stabilize, should stabilize the drop. I'm not saying that there could be something so catastrophic that the price just tanks and falls, right? That can always happen. But believe me that whenever price falls like this, when everybody else is bailing out, these are the times you need to think, let me look at the past. Let me look at what happened the last time Bitcoin dropped and fell on bad news, when major news announcements came out. Let me look at that and let me see what happened after. Now, you could look at this. South Korea might come out. There might be more bad news. The market might continue to go down. We can be on a downtrend. We can be on a long-term downtrend. I don't know, right? But what you have to do is you have to make up in your mind that I'm not in crypto. I'm not in cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin day to day or week to week, and I'm jumping in and out on every single news announcement. I'm in because I believe in let's go to the weekly chart, the long-term possibilities of crypto. This is a weekly cryptocurrency Bitcoin chart. You haven't seen a parabolic move like this on anything in history. Will the trend continue? I don't know. But it's fun to be in this space. It's not for the faint of heart. It's not for the weak-hearted. That's my lesson for today. Technical analysis, fundamental analysis, you put them both together and then you make your decisions on your investments. If you're playing cryptocurrencies to see what's going to happen in the next hour, more power to you. My strategy is to be a constant investor in cryptos and altcoins and invest for a 3 to 5 to 10 year plan. I'll see you on the next video.